So here we are, a very casual day at home. I'm unshaven, hair's a mess, she's in her pajamas, and they want to make a balloon animal. Up.
I say like the Grinch.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy looks like a Grinch.
Yep.
Hey, give back my
on.
toys.
Hang on.
Give back my toys.
Okay, so we gotta do this all in one
Give
day.
me back
Okay?
my toys.
Here, Yolani, what should I make today?
A puppy. Today I'm going to eat a balloon.
No, Leilani. So, Leilani, what should I make?
A puppy.
No, you say a squid. So what should I make today?
A squid.
A squid? Too late, I already am one. So I forgot I had these, Angelica found them, and we got the bright idea of, let's see if we can twist balloons with these on. And if I can make a balloon animal with these on my fingers, then you can make one with nothing on your fingers. You have no excuse. Where's the balloon? You put it in your pants? Okay, go get me a clean balloon. Was that in your underwear?
No, it was on.
No, that was in her underwear.
No, it was behind my underwear.
Okay, so what should I really make?
Oh, I heard I did squid.
No, we just went over that. Okay.
Okay, you two. That's enough.
Stop licking the balloon man.
You're my daddy balloon man.
So I'm just going to make a dog. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Puppy.
I have to use my left hand to inflate it. Come back here, Angelica.
Right here.
Okay, I might need some help from my assistant to tie it, but let's try this first.
Need assistance.
Yeah, hang on. Oh yeah, my assistants. Hang on.
Let me take it for you.
Hey, get back over here.
Look at my finger.
Cool. All right, Angelica's tying the balloon. All right, assistant had to help tie that. Let's see.
I'm his daughter. Don't forget that.
My hand's a flower.
Okay, this is going to be a very basic poodle.
Oh my God.
It's a dog.
Yep, poodles are dogs.
I'm a tabby.
Not able to twist it as much as I would like.
Can I do it for you?
No. The challenge is, this is a how to make a balloon animal with a mutant hand challenge.
What
What
are you?
are mutants?
No, mutant.
They're hands of mutants.
How? How do you get mutant hands?
My dear child,
Daddy!
I've failed as a parent.
Daddy! You know I hate that word!
What are mutants?
My dear daddy.
Hang on. Okay, now save it this way.
Why?
So this video is going to be a how to make a balloon animal when you have the hands of a mutant.
What's a mutant hand?
What's a mutant?
Mutant hand.
What's a mutant?
Yeah.
My dear child,
Daddy!
I have failed.
Daddy, you know I hate that word!
I can't.
Don't say it again!
Okay, but Angelica, what's funny is if you don't overreact like this, okay?
Yeah, but I don't like the word.
I know, but you should
This
just.
is what happened in the last video.
Okay,
My dear daddy.
no.
Oh, just be quiet, you two.
So this video is going to be a how to make a balloon animal when you have the hands of a mutant challenge.
Dad, can you just say
No, you don't understand. You have to flow, okay? So this is where you say, what's a mutant?
No, make that word again.
No, you say,
Just
what's a
something
mutant?
different.
No. You have to say it loud and clear.
What's a mutant?
What's a mutant?
Yeah.
My dear child.
Daddy! You know I hate that word!
Okay,
I
let me
know you
finish.
hate it!
I have failed you as a parent.
Daddy!
Daddy, what's a mutant?
Haven't you seen X-Men?
Daddy,
Oh, Daddy.
Didn't you watch X-Men?
No!
Daddy.
Oh yeah, we haven't let her watch the X-Men. Okay,
I got my daddy to
What's a
say.
mutant?
what's a mutant?
Yeah.
My dear child, I have failed you as a parent. Haven't you girls watched the X-Men?
Oh, Daddy! You just said that.
Okay, stop.
What's more?
Okay, stop.
Daddy's pregnant.
There.
Stop. The claw has you. Not my tentacles. Don't pull my tentacles. Okay, let go.
Not for me. It's a terrible thing for me.
Okay, shh, let's watch. Moving on, let's finish our dog.
And so that. What's a mutant?
What's a mutant?
Yeah.
My dear child,
Daddy, don't say that word!
I have failed you as a parent.
Daddy!
Daddy.
If I would only let you watch.
Daddy!
Daddy. Daddy, what's
If
the
only.
Dada.
Wait. If only your mother.
Daddy!
If only.
Daddy!
Stop.
Daddy.
If only your mother would let you watch the X-Men.
What's a mutant?
What's a mutant? Why,
What's a mutant?
my dear child, I have failed you as a parent.
Boo Bear Bugs got used to that word because I shouldn't like.
Okay, I have to cut all those scenes out. I can't use any of those scenes.
How about at the end? Because it's funny at the end.
No, hang on. Let's finish this poodle.
You can put these parts in the end.
Yeah.
The air parts are done. Like,
Yeah.
but you just
Hang on, I'm running out of air. I'm having to make some very small bubbles in this poodle's legs. Yeah.
You need to have mutants.
No, mutants have tentacles. Hang on.
Tentacles.
Hang on.
Octopus and squid have
Okay,
those.
if-
They work as teams.
Okay.
Not
Okay, stop.
octopus and squids work together.
So if you find yourself a one-handed balloon twister and you have to make a bubble come up to there, normally you use two hands and you kind of pinch it up there like that. And if you only got one hand and it's kind of hard, just put it in your mouth and you can do that. So even if you have children climbing on you and have tentacles for fingers, you too can make a balloon animal.
Aha.
Angelica, let your sister play with your tentacles. Leilani, you can't put real whining on because I can't put real whining on. Leilani, you can only do fake whining.